It is another interesting edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we bring you developments in the market. This edition captures the market performance for Monday, July 29, 2019. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed at 27,950.36 basis points with a market capitalization of 13.641 trillion naira, meaning it appreciated by plus 0.11%. Equity markets maintained uptrend as NSE-ASI recorded 0.11% gains amid increased volume turnover as market sentiment and market breadth closed positive. Sector performance was mixed as 3 of 6 indices under our coverage appreciated in today's session. The insurance index appreciated the most, gaining 0.6% on the back of gains in WAPIC at plus 5.3%, ICO plus 5% and LASACO plus 5.7%. CI Leasing, Vitafoam and Japoel Oil were top gainers, while Total, Champs and ETI were among the top losers. Zenith Bank, Transcorp and LASACO were the top players in terms of trade volumes. For the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 32.44 trillion naira. The NAFEX rate closed at 361 naira 56 kobo to a dollar, while the I&D FX rate opened at 361 naira 63 kobo to a dollar and closed at 361 naira 87 kobo to a dollar. Looking at the NASD OTC market, the unlisted share index closed at 726.52 basis points with a market capitalization of 521.96 billion naira. Volume of shares traded was 34,900 and the value traded 6.859 million naira in 5 deals executed. You can also check the Nigerian economic indices on the dashboard displaying on the screen. Major highlights for the day. From the highlights of yesterday, Financial Derivatives Company hosted economic experts and business leaders to discuss the implications of the signing of the African Continental Free Trade Agreement for Nigeria. It featured presentations and panel sessions that explored opportunities for Nigeria in the AFCTA and the need for the unification of the exchange rate regime in the country. Stakeholders agreed that it was important for monetary and fiscal policy authorities to align their direction to provide clear and coherent signals to investors.
The fact that you fling your borders open does not mean that the goods that pass through them will increase if you don't address the capability to produce. The same with investment. Investment will not arrive because you are open to investment. It takes more than being open. So there is passive opening, there is active opening.
The point I want to make is that it is very important that those who are in charge of policy making, please let us know exactly where we are going and what kind of policy direction that we have, so that people can also begin to configure their business models to know how to go ahead in this economy.
On our watch list, for our key financial event today, the Enhancing Financial Innovation and Access in collaboration with the Shared Agent Network Expansion Facility and the Nigeria Interbank Settlement System will hold a quarterly financial services agent forum in all the geopolitical zones, starting with Southwest in Lagos. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. You can visit our website www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. You can also follow our social media platforms shown on the screen for further updates on our market reports. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do have a lovely day.